हे फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो लास्ट वीडियोस में हमने कॉमन एरर के क्वेश्चंस देखे थे। लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद सेंटेंस इम्प्रूवमेंट टुडे। सो इन सेंटेंस इम्प्रूवमेंट हमें एक सेंटेंस दिया होता है एंड बोल्ड पार्ट को हमें ऑप्शन से रिप्लेस करना होता है। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Both Ayurvedic and herbal products has gaining popularity among consumers nowadays. So in this sentence Ayurvedic and herbal product plural है, plural subject. So instead of has gaining हम plural word have gained का यूज़ करेंगे. So option first is correct, have gained popularity. Second sentence, he is said to had defrauded many people of lakhs of rupees till date. So over here, to have defrauded many people should be used. So fourth part is correct. Third sentence, ring network technology requires many wiring and is not feasible for connecting too many nodes. So instead of many हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? A lot of. Okay, a lot of is used for a large number of or large amount of something. Okay, so option fourth is correct, requires a lot of wiring. Question number 4. Within the next decade, healthcare is going to be one of the most lucrative sectors in India. So this sentence is correct, no correction required. Question number 5. Of late, there have something or the other thing wrong in this recruitment department of the organization. So in this sentence, here singular verb, that is has been something should be used. So of late there has been something or the other going wrong in the recruitment department. So fourth part is correct, has been something. Question number 6. Predicting consumer behavior and taking business decisions accordingly make this company so successful. So there is no correction required in this sentence. 7th, a recent study has revealed that 8 out of 10 people suffers as vitamin D deficiency. It is deficiency. Okay, or vitamin D deficiency. So here subject is plural, 8 out of 10. So we'll use plural verb, suffer. Okay, so second part is correct. 8th, from the sweet notes of classical music to the rings of its temple bell. Okay, in this sentence ringing should be used. It's a proper use of possessive case. So option fourth is correct, ringing bells of temple. The melody of this area can move you. Question number 9. Diwali is gaining increasingly popular today and is being celebrated all over the world. So in this sentence, gaining, increasing, that is increasing adjective, and popularity noun should be used. Okay, so second part is correct. Diwali is gaining increasing popularity today and is being celebrated all over the world. 10th question, you will lose your deposit if you will cancel the order. So in such structure, condition clause should be used. So it should be in present simple. Okay, so deposit, you cancel the order. If you cancel the order, so no use of will is required. Will in conditional sentences, simple present is used. Okay. 11th, When in doubt, check it up with a good dictionary. Okay, so check it in a good dictionary should be used. So option second is correct. Check it in a good dictionary. 12th, at the present rate of exchange, 14 dozen cost rupees 3000. So this sentence is correct. No improvement required. Question number 13. Can you believe this is the same old and dilapidated house I had bought last year? Okay. So it is not proper to use double article for same thing. So can you believe it is the same old and the dilapidated house? So we should not use the article twice. So third part, can you believe this is the same old and dilapidated house I had bought last year should be used, or this is the correct sentence. Question number 14. If the sky is overcast, I take my umbrella with me. So instead of if, what we'll use? Whenever. Whenever the sky is overcast, I take my umbrella with me. Question number 15. The artist claims to have royal blood in his veins. This sentence is correct. No improvement required in this sentence. So stay tuned for more questions.